Hi guys, so I just got a thought in the shower while I was about to go to bed that I need to do my hair tonight. And guess what the time is? It is currently 10:52. Just got my hair bag. I've got my hair supplies in here. Hopefully I get to do something before midnight. I have a little mirror as well, and I'm sitting in front of a big mirror, so that's my hair set up. I'm going to just do a simple hairstyle. I just want to see how long it will take to do this hair. Hopefully I do it in maybe within 30 minutes or an hour. It's just simple cornrows, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna comb my hair really quickly. I'm trying to hold my hair. I'm not combing it too hard, so it's not gonna like pull off. So for the actual hairstyle, I'm going to be using this gummy wax as my braiding gel and my braidtail comb. Now my hair is all combed. I'm so scared to start because the time is taking. Anyways, let me just do this. I'm just gonna add a picture of what I want to do here, and then I'll get right into it. I think it's going to be pretty easy. Yeah, if you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Ledisi, and yeah. I'm really worried if the pattern at the back goes all the way down because I don't want the center of the hair to be at the back, if that makes sense. Okay, so I don't want the hair to be all straight to the back because there'll be hair here like. I'm going to love this hairstyle because the heat wave, and honestly, I don't think that's going to cause me to sweat. I don't need any heavy hairstyle at the moment. So this works for me. So I'm going to finish the rest of the pattern and then I'll come back, start the braids so I don't take too much of your time. So I've prepared the hair. So it's going to be faster. I just want to see what the time is at the moment. So it's currently 11 33, and I just finished preparting the hair. So I'll try and start braiding as soon as possible because I already feel so sleepy. Oh my god, don't mind the state of my nails. It's what it is. I'm gonna do it as soon as I get the chance. So yeah, let's get on braiding. So since I'm not using any extension, I'm just gonna use my gummy wax. This one. So I'm not stitching the braid or anything. I'm just going to braid. Uh, I'm going to this time. And if you're just seeing me for the first time and you like what you're seeing so far, I'll just say subscribe to my channel, join the family. I do a lot of like DIY hair videos and all of that. Not just hair, sometimes skincare, makeup. So if this is your vibe, which I believe it is, that's why you're here. Just have to hit the subscribe button and like this video, share, and click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Yeah, thank you so much. It's feeling very sleepy. Guys, I'm done. Just left this styling. I'm all done. Styling at the moment. So sleepy. I'll finish